Marion here from marionblackonline.com. In this video you're going to learn how to apply for Google Adsense. First you need an account with Google. Google says one free account gets you into everything Google, so the one account is all you need for everything Google, including Adsense. If you have a Gmail account, then you already have a Google account. If not, then go to google.com/gmail, click on More Options, and create account. Follow the prompts and you'll soon have a Gmail email address. All set? Let's go to Adsense. Go to google.com/AdSense. Sign in. Type in your Gmail address. Click Next. And enter your password. Fill out the form putting in your website name. I choose to send customized help and performance suggestions. Select your country or territory. Scroll down. Read the entire terms and conditions because this is very important. Check that you've read and accept the agreement and create account. I'm setting up a dummy account here so I can go through the steps with you. I started with Adsense in 2006. Things have changed since then. So let's get started. Fill out your account details so that you'll be able to get paid, and then you'll be taken to the home screen. The next step is to connect your site to Adsense. Google says it's as easy as copying and pasting, but it's a little more complicated than that. The code needs to be in the head section of your website, and that's not quite so easy in a WordPress install. You can use Appearance Editor and risk wrecking your website, or you can make a child theme, or you can do it the easy way and install a plugin. On your Adsense home page, scroll down, copy the code, which is now copied to your clipboard, go back to your website, and go to Plugins, Add New. In the search box type in Insert Headers and Footers. This is the one you want, by WPBeginner. Install now, and activate. Go to Settings, Insert Headers and Footers, and in the box for scripts and headers, paste in your code that you've just copied. I use paste as plain text. Save, and it's done. Now to check that it's in your head section, go to Visit Your Site. I right-click and open in a new tab. Right-click on the page, View Page Source. You'll Control F to find. Type in Ads by Google, and you'll see that it's here and it's within the head tags. Go back to your Adsense account. Check the box you've pasted the code into your site and click Done. Now you've added the Adsense verification code to your website, you'll just need to wait for a few days or maybe even a few weeks to get approved by Adsense. I'll see you in the next video.